Redwood Parcel provides insights to your parcel supply chain with detailed dashboards, insights, trends, and reports. Let's see how it works. We'll start with the dashboard, which provides an at-a-glance summary of your parcel shipping. You can view multiple or single parcel carriers, account numbers, or account groups to better manage your shipping by division or location. User-friendly and flexible screens include drill downs by time, service, and carrier. Audit recovery is easily tracked and viewable. Spend analysis over time shows trends. Maps help visualize your shipping patterns, and additional dashboards like shipments, DIMS, and distribution further expand your understanding of where your parcel spend is going. On-time service is key to customer satisfaction and is tracked by carrier, service level, and date. Next, we'll move to reporting. Over 150 reports are available that you can download or schedule to be emailed to you or your team for further analysis and insights. Lastly, you can grab information on a specific invoice or tracking number through invoice search. Redwood Parcel is your partner for parcel contract negotiation, audit, and data-led insights. If you'd like to hear more, contact your Redwood representative or visit our website at redwoodlogistics.com.